Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are using Microsoft Edge as your browser, it is now up to date with the latest security updates of the week for Chromium. Of course, we had the security updates for Google Chrome on Tuesday. If you use anything that is Chromium-based browser, which is almost everything except Firefox, you should look for updates to make sure that your browser is up to date with security. There were some security flaws this week, high severity, and so this affects every Chromium browser out there. If you go to your Microsoft Edge browser, go into the upper right three horizontal dots, go into Help and Feedback, and About Microsoft Edge, you will be sent to version 131.0.2903.86, and this is as of today, December 5th, 2024. And of course, that means you'll be up to date with security and you are safe or safer on the web. This is, of course, one of the most important things to do. Forget about antivirus. If you don't update your software, you are going to have problems. This is the case. So this is your first line of defense, and of course all the other Chromium browsers too. Check out your updates to make sure you stay safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.